Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to filter Wix table data using radio button in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix page editor. So this is our table data. On left side you see add elements, so click on it and then you see different elements. So click on input and then you see selection radio button. So we are going to filter data using radio button. So you can select design according to requirement. So we select this. Now drag and drop here like this. Now edit. So we have city column, temperature column, name column, and we have city London, Washington, Islamabad. Now click on it and then you see many choices. So click on it. So we are going to add all our 3 cities. Now you see. So click on it and then click on edit label. So we are going to add London and then click on done. So add another 2. So we added 3 choices in radio button, London, Washington, Islamabad. So we are going to filter data by using these choices. We use these 3 cities in our column. Now click on go to setting and then you see setting field title. If you want you can add it and then you see default selection London. Select an item for your list. So you can select according to requirement and then you see none. So select none and then close. So we are going to change layout. Now you see layout, so click on it and then you see horizontal, so click on it. Now expand it like this and then you see radio button size, space between button, multiple option. Now close and then you see design, so click on it. If you want to add some styling, so click on customize design button and then you see fill color, opacity, border, shadow, text. So you can add color scheme according to requirement. Now close. So now we are going to connect this radio button to table and then you see connect to CMS, so click on it. On left side you see connect radio button and then you see option filter content, so click on it and then you see dataset, choose a dataset. So this is our dataset, weather update dataset, this is, and then you see filter content by drop down. Now city. Now you see filter by city and then click on publish. Now publish done, go to website page and refresh the page. So we are in about page and then scroll down, you see table and then you see filter by city. Now you see all record and then you see Islamabad. Now select, you only see Islamabad record. Now select London. Now you see 3 London record, city, temperature, name and then you see Washington. Now select. Now you see 2 Washington record. If you select all, you see all record. Now you see. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.